the corner of the room, not ready to resume, 'cause like I'm ticking.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ral, aka Love Glam. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. And please do not forget to click the subscribe button down below to join the Love Glam family. And if this is not your first time, welcome back as well. So today I'm bringing this look to you guys. This is like one of my favorite looks to create during the Christmas holiday. It's so easy, it's so simple to follow, so I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Also for my hair, I just gelled it down to, you know, look good. My head looks so funny, but hopefully you guys like it. But yes, let's jump right into the tutorial, guys. Let me not talk too much. All right, I'll see you guys. All right, so let's get started on this look. I'm using these. I'm sampling them out and they're so good. It's basically the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow, as well as Flawless Filter. It just looks like this, like it comes in different shades, so it gives you a gorgeous glow on the face as a skin prep before you start your makeup. Like, I feel like it evens out your skin tone slightly. But yeah, so that's on. We're gonna prime our lid. You guys already know what it is. You already know what it is. Alright, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of setting powder and go ahead and set the concealer so it doesn't move around on my lid. Yes. I wish I could sing. I really wish I could sing. All right, first things first, we're using the Huda Beauty palette and we're using the color Sandalwood. I'm gonna use this as a crease color. I did not mean to. So sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. If you guys can hear anyone in the background, is my nephew and my parents. I don't know what he's doing and they're like yelling at him. So just ignore that. Alright, so next I'm gonna use this color. It's a darker variation of the color. And this is Henna. And this is still the henna that I'm putting, just to build on the color. Next, I'm using Violet Voss palette. I'm gonna mix Boss, Snatched, and Strong. These three colors. Just gonna pack it on there. Just literally like dunking it into the sockets of my eye. And I'm not gonna blend it out yet. I'm just dunking it. I don't even know if dunking is a word for this look, but just gonna put it in there. Henna, which was the second color we used, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges. I'm using the Juvias Place palette. Oh, okay. Juvias Place palette. We're gonna use Jezebel. We're gonna place Jezebel right where the blacks of your eyes stop. So just place it right there. No blending yet, just dunk it in. I feel like for this look, we're just gonna keep saying dunk in. So right where the blacks of your eyes stop, just place it right there. And whatever that is left on the brush, you're gonna blend it and connect both colors together. I have Toffee LA Girl concealer, and I'm gonna use that to cut my crease. Still using the Juvias Place, I'm gonna use the color Zuri and I'm gonna place that on the cut crease part while it's wet. I usually don't do while it's wet. I usually wait for it to dry a little and then set it. But this time around, we're gonna do it while it's wet. I'm so tired, but I promised I was gonna film this video. Anyway, I'm using this black eyeshadow from the Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna use that, place it right here. So when you place it, you have to actually build it up because at first it's not going to translate, and then also secondly it's going to turn like green black because of all the colors. So you have to build it up to make sure that it darkens up. Whatever that is left of the brush, we're just gonna lightly sweep into the crease just to deepen it. And I'm gonna go back with the Jezebel color and just place that over the black. And then place that over and just blend that over. And then same thing here. Uh-oh. Over. I'm gonna use the color that I put in the crease, which are these two. And just take that and puffer into the color. Take that again, buffer it into the color. Next, I'm using the gel liner. I'm just going to line my lids without winging it out. For multi-priming, I'm going to go ahead and use mattifying primer on my T-zone, which is usually where I get super oily. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that on my T-zone. And I like to put this under my eye because it's silicone base, so I low-key, high-key feel like it literally just fills my under eye. So when I put concealer, everything blends out beautifully. So I'm using the Ordinary foundation in the shade 3.2R, and was the one that I brought initially by, oh shit, I just dropped that on my shirt. Like, look at that, look at that. Hopefully that doesn't stain. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put our foundation. That's okay, because my energy is coming back. If you drop one more time, it's gonna be you and I. It's a true Nigerian way of reacting to something. It's like, if this happens again, it's you and me today. I don't know, okay, honestly, this foundation doesn't really, or usually doesn't feel this dark on my face. I don't know if it's because it's winter, but winter has barely begun, so I'm not quite sure. Because you know how you get lighter during the winter? So today, we're gonna have brighter under eye. I usually don't like my under eye like unnaturally bright, if that makes sense. I usually always use fawn, but we're gonna use this for a change today and hope that I don't regret it after I blend it out, because sis. But I think it will blend out and not look weird because the foundation was really dark. Darker than I recall. So when you put on your concealer, usually just fan it a little so it can get a little tacky, so when you're blending it, it's not super slippery, or if it's like it's not moving around too much, it's literally blending out exactly where you want it to blend out. So I'm just gonna fan it down one time. One time for the people at the back. One time for the people at the back. I'm so tired. The fact that it's bright. I'm also gonna use the side of my foundation, so it will help. See, it's not so watery, slippery. It's literally dry and like blending exactly where I'd want it to blend. But I'm about to contour, so everything's gonna blend out. We have faith, you know. Baby, we have faith, 'cause faith is the way to go. And for this, I really want my cheekbones to be very chiseled. So instead of placing it here like I would usually do, I'm bringing it up a little bit more. Okay. Don't mind me, just random thoughts, you know? Random thoughts. I'm so hot. I had to close my window so that you guys won't hear like the cars passing while I'm filming this. And my lights were making me so hot, and the fact that the heater's on in the house, obviously, because other people are like cold, which will be fine on a regular day, but like I may just have to open my window because guys, I am so hot. And if I don't take time, by the time I'm done this makeup, before I'm done this makeup, I'm gonna end up like sweating bullets everywhere. So I might just get up and open my window. And if I open my window, you guys will probably hear the cars passing, but I'm gonna have to choose. Do I want to melt in front of this light? Or do I want to open the window? Oh, by the way, I'm using whatever that is left on my brush to contour my jawline. I'm using my Marcelle, which I've had this powder for forever and it's still working. I look so weird with this scarf on. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm just looking at myself. I'm like, oh. Take the Laura Mercier powder, setting powder as well, and I'm going to use that to carve out my contour at the bottom. So I'm going to use some gel liner that has been sitting in my back of my hand for a while now. Hopefully it didn't dry out. Guys, I'm using this black and gonna smoke out the bottom lash. I'm gonna use my NYX powder to powder away the bacon under my cheekbone. And if you guys have been following me for a while, you know I have fed the homeless in the past, and I've also clothed them. And this year, me and my team, or our team, like all of us, we are trying to feed, clothe, and provide warm beverages for 100 homeless people in the city of Toronto this holiday. And when I say I was stressed out because I was trying to make the poster for the initiative. So for my blush, I'm literally layering these three. The matte one, and this is the Maybelline one. And I'm actually going to put a lot of blush just to make sure I have some color on my cheek. So next I'm going to use Gulu. And this has a little bit more shimmer and more pinky tones to it. So I'm just going to place it at the higher points of my cheek. On the side, smile, and brush it backwards. I'm gonna use Orgasm, and this looks amazing on like lighter or fairer skin, but on darker women, it gives a beautiful highlight color, not more so of a blush or a layer over your blush to give your blush like a nice glow. Like if you guys can see, when I placed it on, I don't know if you guys can see that, it gave my blush like some nice glow. I'm gonna go ahead with some bronzer. Now I'm gonna have to put a lot because, yeah. So I'm just using the bronzer to set everywhere that I've contoured. I like it much better than using just a contour powder. I'm using the Master Chrome by Maybelline, and this is the Molten Rose Gold. You want the light to hit you on all the right places. If you know what I mean, if you know what I mean. And I'm just gonna blend this some more just because I like my highlight to really blend in to my skin and not just like sit on top of my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and spray myself, and this is a dewy spray and not a mattifying spray. I'm gonna go ahead and put the heartbeat first. Yeah. And that is pretty much the look. I'm gonna go take this off and I'll be right back. Anyways, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just threw in like a sweater, and this is like my favorite holiday sweater at the moment. It's so cute. But yes, I'm so sorry guys. I was like, my energy was like this throughout the video. I was so exhausted, but I really wanted to film a holiday look and put it out for you guys. And if you really enjoyed the video, please do not forget to like it down below. That's actually how people find my videos. And please comment below as well if this is a look you'll be trying. This is one of my favorite holiday looks. I feel like each year I have to wear this during the holidays. Just like the perfect look, and it looks so good, and it looks easy and it's easy to achieve. So that being said, I will definitely see you guys in my next video. But happy holidays anyway. I love the Christmas season. It's like my favorite season ever. And that being said, I know I mentioned briefly about Operation Homeless, the initiative myself and my friends are putting out. This is the 3rd year we're doing it. So I'm going to put the GoFundMe link down below. If you guys feel like this holiday season you want to give back, please click that link and donate for a good cause. You don't have to be from Toronto to donate, honestly. It can be from anywhere. If you're in the holiday spirit and you want to give back, by all means. So hopefully you guys are able to help and support and for a good cause, because we are trying to feed, clothe, and provide warm beverages for 100 homeless people this holiday. So it's something very dear to my heart, and I'm so proud of the team. I'm so proud of us that we're doing this 3rd time in a row. It's not easy, guys, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go sleep now because I'm so tired. Thank you so much for watching one more time, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. So I'm just gonna say bye. So bye.